안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today, I'm going to make super simple yet very tasty spicy red snapper soup. It's called 도미 매운탕 in Korean. We need this red snapper, 도미. I got this sliced frozen red snapper at our local grocery store, and you can also use frozen pollock or cod for this recipe. Since it is frozen, I will rinse the pieces once to remove some of the ice on the fish. Next, let's prepare all the vegetable ingredients first. So, cut the Korean radish, 무, zucchini, 호박, onion, 양파 into all about half-inch thick pieces in different shapes. Obtain the crown daisy, 쑥갓, and cut the green onions, 파, into 1-inch pieces and slice the red hot pepper, 홍고추, into thin slices. Put the Korean radish in a big pot and pour the water, 물, over it. Cook it on high. Once the water starts to boil, add the fish into the pot. Bring it back to boil and cook it for about 10 minutes on medium-high. Occasionally remove the foam from the surface of the broth. That is a secret tip to have a less fishy tasting soup. After 10 minutes, add the zucchini and the onion into the pot. Now, we will season the soup with only few seasoning ingredients. It is amazing how the fish itself gives so much savory and deep flavor to this soup. So, add the soup soy sauce, 국간장, the hot pepper powder, 고춧가루, the minced garlic, 다진 마늘, and minced ginger, 다진 생강 to the soup. Continue to cook it for about 10 more minutes. When the soup is almost done cooking, taste it and adjust the saltiness to your taste with a choice of either fish sauce, soup soy sauce, or salt if needed. After 10 minutes, the radish will be soft and that means it's done cooking. Finally, add the green onions, the crown daisy, and hot pepper to the soup. Cook 1 more minute and then turn off the heat. This healthy and delicious Korean red snapper soup is a perfect food to warm up your body. I am very happy to share this delicious recipe with you today. So please try my 도미 매운탕 recipe, take a picture and share it with me through Instagram or Facebook. Enjoy your delicious spicy red snapper soup and see you next time. Bye!